Hello, welcome to this accredited AI testing course based on the ISTQB syllabus. My name is Stuart Reid, I'm your trainer. Just to give you some background, I started working in IT in 1983. I then worked for over 6 years, working on embedded real-time systems, and then moved into the university sector and worked for over 18 years at the Cranfield University in the UK. Since 2007, I've been working as a Chief Technology Officer for different testing organisations in London, Seoul and in between. This slide shows you the scheme of the ISTQB. What you can see is, at the bottom, everything starts at the foundation level. So if you're taking this course and intending to get the exam and get certified, then you require the foundation level certification already. It's the prerequisite for every one of the other parts of the scheme. On the right, you can see that AI testing, the course we're looking at now, is part of the specialist stream. You can also move up to the advanced level from foundation, or you can move across and move into the agile stream. This is an outline of the course. The course is basically 3 separate areas. We have an introduction to AI and machine learning so that we understand the basics and what we're going to test. We then move into the testing of AI-based systems, and from there at the very bottom you can see that we can use AI for testing, so that's a completely different perspective for the course. So first part, learning about AI and machine learning. Second part, learning about how to test AI systems. And the third part, how we can use AI to actually support the different testing activities. ISTQB courses are based around learning objectives. And in this course, you'll find that we have learning objectives from levels 1 up to level 4. So K1, K2, K3 or K4. If you're taking this course to pass the exam, you'll already have passed the certification at the foundation level, in which cases you should be familiar with K1, K2 and K3. K1 is just remember or recall. In this case, if there's a list, for instance, you just have to remember the list, you don't have to understand it at all. At level 2, you must understand something. So maybe you have to give examples or recognise examples that match a given situation. At level 3, you have to be able to apply methods and techniques. So from a testing perspective, apply would be appropriate if we were checking whether or not you could apply a test technique, like boundary value analysis. The new level for this course that you won't have seen before is level 4, which is to analyse. So typically for analysing, you'll need to look at a scenario and decide what's the best approach given that a scenario. Now, learning objectives are important because we use the learning objectives to create the exam questions. So if there's a learning objective, there'll be an exam question. Different for this course are hands-on objectives. These are special to this, so you won't have seen these before in foundation level. As with learning objectives, they're at different levels, and you can see here that we've got 3 different levels of hands-on objectives. At H0, it's a live demo of an exercise, or you watch a recorded video. At H1, it's a guided exercise where you follow what the trainer tells you to do. And H2 is just a bit more advanced. You're given an exercise with relevant hints, and you should already have been told how to do this, and you follow the hints and you solve the exercise. One of the really special things about the hands-on objectives is they're not examined. Now, as part of the accreditation of the course, courses matching the certification have to include hands-on objectives, but on the other hand, we won't have them examined in the exam.